Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. Welcome to today's video where, as you can see by the title, Sephora is having their annual holiday sale yet again, and you can get up to 30% off. If you are VIB Rouge, you get 20% off, VIB gets 15% off, and Beauty Insider gets 10% off. However, everybody gets 30% off, and I will tell you how, even if you're not a VIB Rouge, you have a chance at getting 20% off your entire order. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before we get into the Sephora fun, I do want to show you guys Rose Forever sent me a package. I actually have two packages on the way. Only half has come right now, but oh my gosh, this is so exciting. If you've seen any of my other Rose Forever videos, you might know them by the luxurious flower boxes that they have of real roses that last up to a year. Mine actually last more than a year because we take really good care of them, but they're the most beautiful, stunning boxes of roses that you can receive, gift, anything like that. I'm obsessed with them, and they recently came out with a new item. I actually asked them to send me this because I saw it on the website while I was picking out my rose box that is on the way. I will show you that as soon as it comes. And I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, new product, I need to try it. I love the roses and I wanted to try this, and I love this item as well. I can't even wait for the roses to come because I just wanted to show you ASAP. If you know me, you know I love candles and I love roses. Rose Forever roses, to be specific. Absolutely love them. They last a year. And now they have candles. Are you kidding me? Are you guys seeing this? I wish you could smell it. This is just... ugh. And just like their roses, they have such beautiful packaging for their candles as well, and it smells like phenomenal. As soon as you open the box, the smell just like hits you in the face, and it is so good. I ended up choosing the vanilla musk scent. As you can see, there are 7 different scents, but this is the one that I just wanted to try it first, and it comes with 4 wicks. I hope you can see how big this is. It's literally the size of my head, and it's nice and thick as well. I would say it probably would last up to a year if you are somebody that does not light your candles a lot. However, we in my household love lighting candles, especially now that winter's coming up, and this smells phenomenal. So I would say probably 6 months this will last if you use it a lot. However, just like the roses, it can last up to a year depending how often you use it and light it and for how long, etc, etc. But oh my gosh, I'm gonna have this linked in the description. Trust me, for the holidays coming up and Black Friday as well, pick this up as a gift. If somebody doesn't like roses but they love candles, Rose Forever has got your back. It is a little pricey. It retails for $140, but currently they are having 20% off, and again, Black Friday's coming up, so you're going to want to check out their sales, although I think they might have their Black Friday sales early, so definitely check that out. I will have it linked in the description. Moving on to Sephora. I said I didn't need to buy a lot of stuff, but here we are with 2 boxes. I am actually not a VIB Rouge, however, I did get 20% off, so again, to get 20% off, if you are not a Rouge, if you have a Rouge friend as a VIB Rouge, you actually get 20% off your own account, and then you get a little link where you're able to send it to one of your friends, and they're able to log into their account, upload it to their account, and use their account to purchase 20% off one time. Only one time code, you can't reuse it, so make sure you have everything in your cart if you find a VIB code. I know there's other ways to grab one as well. You can go on TikTok, a lot of people are giving them away, or on Reddit is another great way to see if anybody has any last minute codes. The sale is going on right now. As you can see, all the Sephora collection is 30% off. If you are VIB Rouge, you actually got early access to it, so it started on November 1st for everyone VIB Rouge and those who had the friend code as well. Then today, actually, when I'm filming this, is November 5th, so if you are VIB, you get 15% off. Beauty Insider as well started today at 10% off, and everybody can continue shopping until November 11th is when it stops. So if you are watching this when I upload it, there are still a few days to get your order in. As always, recommendations for the sale is gift sets. Brands have the best gift sets going on right now for the holidays, and they make for great gifts. Gift sets are the absolute best because they're already discounted, and you get an extra discount on top of that, which makes them such a good deal on top of the already good deal that they usually are. So for me, I picked up this gift set, which is the Gizu, I think that's how you say it. This is the Gloss and Go Duo. As you can see, I took one of the little price tag stickers off already from this one because I am adding it to a little gift for one of my friends for her Christmas present. But you can see the value for this is $150 value, marked down to $74.50 for the bundle plus the additional 20% off. I've been waiting to open this, so finally I can open it, which is very exciting. It comes with 2 full-size products, and apparently they're boxed separately in this cute like holiday pack bundle, so even if you wanted to just buy one and divide it into 2 different gifts, you can also do that as well. But look how pretty. So it comes with the gloss, and then this is for your hair. I've used the little travel size of this and really liked the mini version, so decided to get the full size one. This packaging is really pretty as well, and then I've heard so many good things about this one. This apparently is the new formula one, so didn't try the old formula, can't compare it, but I'm excited to try both of these. This is the honey infused lip oil, the watermelon sugar one, and then the full size honey infused hair oil, which I like the applicator for this as well. It's just like a little drop applicator. Picked up my tried and true black beauty blenders. I know there's so many other beauty blenders out on the market, other beauty sponges, anything like that for cheaper, but I personally just love the black one and decided I just needed to get 2 so I can stock up since I had the 20% off. Again, I don't think I'm going to be VIB Rouge next year either, so I just figured 20% off with my beauty blenders. I can't believe I'm going to say this, but Rare Beauty sent me PR not too long ago. If you're following me on Instagram, if you're not, you should, because I post a lot more PR package unboxings there, a lot that I don't show here on YouTube, such as the Rare Beauty one. But they sent me PR and I really like their stuff and I really wanted to try this. This was not included in the PR package, but they sent me a bunch of other great things that I'm obsessed with. These are the hydrating under eye patches. Comes in a set of 8, and again, I just really loved everything else, so I really wanted to try these for plane rides as well. I feel like these are nice to have, so just wanted to test them out. I will stock up if I love them. They're super affordable as well, and again with 20% off, I was like, absolutely yes. And surprisingly, my samples arrived, which sometimes they actually don't arrive during sales like this because obviously it's crazy. People are just trying to pack up really quickly, don't really care about the samples. But I chose the Makeup by Mario Sculpt Shaping Stick and the Charlotte Tilbury Sheer Glow Tint. And in box number 2, I've got some other goodies as well. This one, I was so excited for this. It is such a great value. I fell in love with Coralie when Pablo and I went to France, stocked up because it is so much cheaper there. If you're going to France or Europe, definitely hit up the French pharmacies because they are so good. The prices are insane. It actually pained me to have to restock on this. I wish I had just bought so much more of this in France, but lesson learned. If I go back, I will come back with like a suitcase full of skincare. But this is the Coralie Face and Eye Brightening Trio. This retails for $110. This alone on a regular day without the holiday set that this is $110. So if you want to pick this up, just look for this instead because it's like buy one you get these 2 products for free. This in Europe was half the price. Every bottle was half the price. It was like $40 per bottle. I only bought 2 and I only have half of a bottle left, so needed to stock up on this. But this is what it comes with. So it comes with the Radiance Serum, which this is so good. My skin loves it. It comes with the brightening eye cream and instant moisturizer, which I also have this in the bigger one, and I actually have this one as well. So I already know all 3 of these products are phenomenal and I love them, and my skin personally really loved it, so I had to stock up on that. But again, $110, and it's $161 value plus the 20% off. And another tried and true, you've seen this in every single Sephora haul that I've done. Usually around the holidays they come out with a bundle, but every year it gets more and more expensive. If you want, I suggest getting the bigger one. It's a huge bottle. It is cheaper than buying the bundle of 2 full-size ones, but I don't really wear makeup a lot because I work from home, so just decided to get the regular sized one. And then when I travel, I do put it in a smaller bottle or else they will take it. I made that mistake once and never again. I actually had this bottle right here, but it was like half full, less than half full, and I brought it on vacation and they took it. I think this is when we were going to Barcelona, which was like our first trip many years ago, and I even told them. They pulled it out. You're only allowed 1 fluid ounce if you are doing carry-on, and this is a 4 fluid ounce bottle, so of course it detected it. And even though the product was under the 1 fluid ounce, it was like a very small product, they still took it all and threw it out. So that was a little bit traumatizing, disappointing. Never made that mistake again, never will. So I just have the little travel ones that I've showed you in a lot of travel videos. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. And ending it off with an honorable mention that is actually not from Sephora. E.l.f. Cosmetics sent me a huge PR package, and that alone was so exciting. I have half of it here because my mom actually took half of it already, but I will have a photo in a little bit to show you everything that came inside. But shout out to E.l.f. Cosmetics. Like, I am so excited. Came at a perfect time. But this is what I've kept. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the full box already. However, they sent me the Viral Trio. This one is missing because I already unboxed it and used it, but we've got highlighter, blush, and the contour. I've only used the contour and I absolutely love it. I am wearing it right now, so I just imagine these two are just as good. This is what the little contour looks like. Twist it off. And I love the applicator for this as well. It does dry kind of quickly, so you do have to work quick when you do put on the little dots on your face and then just blend it in. Next up, I've got the Putty Blush in the shade Maldives, which this is so nice. I honestly wanted to use a lot of it today, but I did just want to show you how it comes packaged prior to ripping everything open. So this is going to immediately be opened and used tomorrow. This is in the shade Maldives. E.l.f. Cosmetics is very affordable as well, so you don't always have to splurge on stuff from Sephora if you don't want to. Brands like E.l.f. also have really good things, which is also why I wanted to include it in here. You can find a lot of good makeup at the drugstore. This one looks so pretty. I love the shade. I love a red blush, so excited to use this. Next up, we have the Putty Color Correcting Eye Brightening. And last but not least, what I kept was a lip pencil, which I've heard a lot of good things. Putty Power Grip Primer, which this is 4% niacinamide. So this is like skincare and a primer in one, which is crazy. So again, can't wait to test and try this one out as well. Alright guys, and that is everything for today's Sephora haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, you still have time to shop until November 11th. So get those cards ready. Let me know some things that you are most excited to buy or that you've already bought from the Sephora sale down in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!